Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Vantage.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Tether's USDt, the largest stablecoin by circulation, has secured a regulatory milestone in Abu Dhabi's International Financial Center, opening the door for licensed institutions to use the token in regulated services. Gold prices edged slightly down as investors stayed cautious ahead of the US Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting and Chair Jerome Powell's remarks for clues on future monetary policy. Wall Street's main indexes slipped as Treasury yields gained and investors treaded cautiously ahead of what could be one of the most divisive Federal Reserve monetary policy decisions in years. Traders are now pricing in an 89.6% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.1% in the last session after rising as much as 2.0% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The week ahead is full of impactful events on the economic calendar, with major data points leading the way. These updates could play a pivotal role in market reactions, influencing everything from stock prices to currency valuations. With the potential for volatility high, staying proactive and responsive is crucial. Make sure to factor in these economic events when assessing your investment strategy.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.